trap game. When two group of students have a category to answer and the group with the highest score guessed from the given topic wins the game. Would this be letter A, Wheel of Fortune? Letter B, Deal or No Deal? Letter C, Family Feud? Or letter D, Minute to Win It? You're all saying letter C, and indeed, letter C ang ating tumpak na choice. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Corina dito, lumabas po yan noong March. Ayan, okay? Lumabas po yan ng Marchlet, di ba? Kaya atin pong dinidiscuss lagi, no? Yung mga nakikita nating items sa mga previous let natin. Okay? So, Family Feud, ang ating pong hinahanap. Wheel of Fortune, merong wheel, di ba? And you simply spin it. Okay? Kaya po siya tinatawag na Wheel of Fortune. Deal or no deal, na? Kung inyo po naaalala, meron tayong briefcases, di ba? Meron tayong mga tagahawak ng briefcase, and then you ask the contestant, deal or no deal? Kukunin yung pera or kukunin yung laman ng briefcase. Okay? So that's your deal or no deal. Minute to win it, na? Isa-isang minuto, merong pinapagawang task. You only have 1 minute to complete the task.